I have two Linux virtual machines here, and I want to install some software. So I'm going to use a package manager which will automate the installation as well as the removal of software from the system. Arch Linux uses the Pacman package manager to automate the installation of software. To use it, I'll type sudo or superuser do pacman and then dash capital S. And if I use a U, I can upgrade all of my packages installed on the system. If I use a Y, I can synchronize the packages. I'll put in a Y and then the password, and you can see that synchronizing package databases, the packages are all up to date. So to install some software, all I need to do is type sudo pacman-s and then the name of the package that I want to install. I want to install a tool that will help me search for files on the computer. So I will install mlocate, and it asks me if I want to proceed with the installation. I'll press enter for yes, and the software has been installed. Now to use mlocate or locate, the program locate, to search for files on my computer, I need to first index all of the files on the system. So I'll type sudo update db, which will index the files. And now if I want to find a file, let's say I want to find a file like locate messages. You can see that it finds all the files on the system that have the string or the text messages in them. And there it is, var log messages. So I just found the message file. Now, installing software in Ubuntu is a little bit different because Ubuntu uses a different package manager. Ubuntu uses the apt package manager or advanced packaging tool. The way apt works is I can run a superuser do apt-get, and the first thing I want to do is update my packages. So I make sure I have an up-to-date listing of all the software packages that are available for this system. Okay, it's done. I'll type the clear command, and now I'm ready to install some software. So I'll put superuser do apt-get install, and I want to install check rootkit, which is a program that I can use for checking for rootkits on the system. So we'll see if we can install it. Looks like it found the package and it installed the package. You can see here the following new packages will be installed. Check rootkit. So now that it's installed, I'll type clear again. I can run the program by just putting in a sudo check rootkit. And you can see it's searching for rootkits on the system, and if any are found, then they'll be removed. Looks like no rootkits were found, so excellent. Another useful command to use is the pipe command. Pipe is useful for taking the output from one program and sending it to the input for another program. For instance, let's say I want to cat root var log syslog, but the output is going to be so many pages and pages of output, and all I'm interested in is searching for any lines that have HTTP in them. Well, what I can do is I can pipe that to grep and then put in HTTP as the matching string of characters that I want to match. And as you can see, it sends me only the lines that have HTTP in them. Notice here's HTTPS, HTTP. So these are the syslog messages that have basically HTTP in them line by line. It still found many lines with HTTP in it, but it filtered my content basically. And so I was able to combine two commands, the cat command as well as the grep command, by using the pipe.